The price of AMP seems to change every day, and it can go up or down in just a few hours. What will happen to this digital currency in the long run? In this article, we'll look at the latest AMP price prediction and analysis so you can get a better idea of where this digital currency is headed. We'll also give you some tips on how to make money with AMP. How about we start with our constant AMP to USD cost update, which shows that the ongoing cost of an AMP is $0. However, our AMP cost prediction says that the cost of an AMP will go down by 1.57% and reach its lowest point on May 13, 2023. More specific indicators tell you about the negative bullish 0% market sentiment on AMP has a score of 52 on the list of fear and hope, but in the last 30 days, there have been 14 30th green days and 6.81 days when prices are hard to predict. According to the most up-to-date information, the current price of AMP is $0, and AMP is currently in position 177 in the crypto-biological system. The core supply of AMP is 127,781,608.60, and its market capitalization is 42,227,700,2186 AMP. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has grown by $0. Its value has been going up steadily over the last week, increasing by 9.21%. AMP has been showing signs of strength lately, so this could be a good time to jump in and invest. In the last month, the price of AMP has gone up by 19.91, adding an epic average of $0. Its long-term value, this surprising change means that the coin could be a good investment now if it keeps going up in value. The basic spin offensive AMP will cost $0 in 2023, when the specialized study of AMP prices will be done. The most the AMP cost can go up to is $0. The average cost of swapping money is around $0. Expected return on capital invested 10 based on how the value of AMP changed at the beginning of 2023, a 9% guess is made for May 2023. Crypto experts think that the average AMP rate will be $0. May 2023, its base costs and highest costs are likely to be $0 and $0, respectively. Each person's expected return on money spent 7.8% June 2023 AMP value estimate digital currency in June 2023. Experts will be ready to say how much the AMP will cost. The lowest exchange rate could be $0 and the highest could also be $0. The month of overall, it's not unusual for AMP to be worth around $0. Anticipated return on money spent 20.8% AMP value number for July 2023. Crypto experts have looked at how the price of AMP has changed in the past and in 2023, so they think the average price of AMP will be around $0. July 2023. It can go down to $0 per base. The most likely return on money spent may be $0. 23.7 August 2023 AMP value estimate. Around the middle of 2023, the cost of an AMP will be traded for nothing in big quantities. August 2023 could also be when the AMP worth goes up to $0. It is expected that the price won't go below $0 until August 2023. Likely return for money spent 26.7 AMP value measure for September 2023. Crypto experts have looked at how much AMPs will cost in 2023. So, they are ready to give their assessed trading average from September 2023 to September 2024 a value of $0. The least you might pay for a Pinnacle AMP may be $0. There is no chance of getting back any money spent. 29.6 October 2023 AMP value estimate. Cryptographers think that by the end of summer 2023, the price of an AMP will be around $0 in October 2023. The price of the AMP could drop to at least $0. The average Pinnacle price could be $0 in October 2023. Having broken down the cost of digital cash, the estimated value for November 2023 is 32.6 amps. Experts think that the AMP rate could reach a ceiling of $0 in November 2023. It may fall to $0 in November 2023, even if it doesn't. The average of AMP is almost $0. 35.4% is the expected return on the starting capital investment. December 2023 AMP value, around the middle of 2023, the average price of an AMP will be $0. Experts in cryptography think that the price of an AMP could be anywhere from $0 to $0 in December 2023. Potential return on initial capital investment of 38.4% AMP value. Expect rotation 2024. After looking at how much AMP has cost in the past, it is thought that the base cost of AMP will be around $0 in 2024. Most likely, the most an AMP could cost is around $0. The cost of swapping could be $0 based on the research of digital currency experts. The price of AMP in 2025 is expected to be between $0 and a few $100s. $0, the average expected cost of exchanging is $0 and the expected worth is $0. 2026, experts in digital money have looked at how the price of AMP has changed over the years. They think that in 2026, the lowest price of AMP could be 1 cent and its highest price could be 1 cent. In general, the cost of trading AMP will be around 1 cent based on the analysis of AMP prices by crypto specialists. The highest and lowest AMP prices in 2027 are likely to be 1 cent and 1 cent, respectively. On average, AMP will be traded for 1 cent. AMP value prediction for 2028. Crypto experts keep an eye on how AMP changes in light of their predictions. The estimated average cost per AMP will be about 2 cents. It could fall to at least 2 cents, but it could stay at 2 cents all the way through 2028. Consistently, digital money experts have made plans for how much AMP will cost, and it is thought that AMP will be worth between 3 cents and 4 cents in 2029. During the year, its average cost is about 3 cents. Digital money experts are ready to talk about how much they think the AMP will cost. The year 2030 is still uncertain because the highest AMP cost is 6 cents, but it could go down to around 5 cents, so the average exchange rate is 5 cents. AMP value expectation 2031. After a long time of looking into how much the AMP cost, crypto experts are ready to give their AMP price predictions for 2031. They say it will be traded for at least 7 cents and could go as high as 9 cents. In general, you can expect the AMP price to be around 7 cents in 2031.